I'm your fashion design mentor from IDI. In this session, I'm going to discuss a very interesting part of fashion design course. Yes, it's fashion illustrations and garment construction. Are you a thoughtful and creative person? Then this is for you. Spark your passion for fashion illustration. Well, a dress starts as an idea in a mind of designer. But if it stays there, no one will be wiser. A fashion drawing is the first step in bringing that idea to fruition. You draw the human figure with a clothing design and present everything about the style of clothing, embellishments you want to add on it. Then pepper it with the attitude you want to convey with that particular style. There you have your fashion sketch laid out for the world to take notice. So you can say that a fashion sketch is the first step in creating beautiful garments. Fashion illustrations are the studies of designer's idea before the actual production of clothes. Fashion illustration entails drawings, paintings and digital drawings of cloth figures. In the world of fashion, fashion illustrations reduce the amount of waste produced tremendously. It helps the designer to study the form, function, fit and feel in advance of construction before the photography, magazines, patterns and book featured colored paintings and sketches of costumes. The vintages and quick drawings convey the ideas and inspirations. Fashion illustrations is an art that offers a career. Now you will have a question that why it's so important for a fashion designer to gain knowledge on illustrating and croquet and fashion ideas. Yes, firstly it helps in visualizing your ideas. Yes, fashion illustrations helps in visualizing the ideas of a designer to understand what exactly a designer wants to create. As a definition of visualization, it says that it is a technique for creating images or diagrams to communicate a message. So it is very important to portray the bodies to understand the important parts to focus. It helps a designer to showcase creativity. It plays a crucial role in the fashion industry. It helps a designer to preview and plan. Without a sketch, it is difficult for a designer to explain the idea. Secondly, it helps in starting a new trend. A designer can design what they wish. They are free to create anything they want. It is a designer who starts a new trend in the marketplace. Putting the idea of minds in the drawing helps the designer to choose the type of material for a particular style of dress. Fashion illustration also helps a designer in twisting the current trend and bringing out something new. It helps the designer in redesigning the garment. And illustration gives an overview of the design and helps in making the necessary changes. The circle of the garment is like that. It is first designed, then implemented and then redesigned and implemented again and so on. The third point is illustration is the first phase. Everything begins with the fashion illustration in the fashion industry. Without a fashion illustration, nothing can be created. The first phase is the illustration and every designer has her or his own unique style. Now let's proceed with another beautiful topic. We say take care of your costume and confidence will take care of itself. Guess what? Yeah, I'm talking about garment construction. This course is an introduction to basic sewing and construction skills. Fabric definition, construction and function are studied. Students learn hand sewing and finishing body measurements, pattern use, fabric layout and cutting as well as machine operation. Students are required to create and complete garments. In pattern making course, students will start with basic patterns including darts and princess line variations and learn how to manipulate them in relation to fundamental rules of pattern making. Pattern making allows the designer to manipulate already existing pattern efficiently and create new configurations with custom measurements. By understanding pattern construction, students will be able to gain a wider understanding of the possibilities and limits of a fashion designer. Basic modules are as follows. The very first one is drafting, then how to take measurements of the bodies, block, handling industrial sewing machine, different types of garment construction trims, details and construction. So how to gain all this knowledge and skills? If you join a fashion course, you would undergo training in improving drawing skills. We offer you full-time and part-time courses at IDI. Why delay? Go to our website and enroll for the fashion designing course. Are you working on weekdays? It's okay. It's absolutely okay. You can enroll for the part-time and weekend courses. If you want to opt full-time course, you can enroll for graduate diploma in fashion designing or advanced diploma in fashion designing. The right choice made at right time will change your life. Join the course and turn your passion into your career. Thanks for watching the video.